Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to pay with PayPal on Booking.com in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. So once you're on the website, you go ahead and look for the accommodation you want to book. Then once you're on that page, all you have to do is just scroll down and choose the accommodation you want to reserve. Let's say, for example, this one. Then click on I'll reserve. And then on the next page, it'll ask for your details, such as this. All you have to do is just provide them. So let's go ahead and do that. Scroll down. You want to click on Next Final Details. And then you wait for the next page. And on this page, this is where you can pay using PayPal. So all you have to do is just click on this one. And you should have the option to choose and pay with PayPal. And basically that's it. Now you know how to pay with PayPal on Booking.com in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.